Alright, proportions are very similar to solving equations. They're actually just a type of equation. So let's look at them together, and they're not that bad at all. Just one kind of difference about them. So for example, number 1, we have 5, 6 is equivalent to or equals 2 over a. Now, in order to treat this like an equation, you do want the variable in the top part of your fraction. So what you do to one side, as long as you do it to the other side, it's fair move. So I'm going to flip it over. So I have a over 2. That means I need to flip over the other side as well. So I'm going to get 6 over 5, and then it's just like solving an equation. I'm going to want to go ahead and get rid of the 2, so the opposite of dividing by 2 is to multiply both sides by 2, just like dealing with fractions here. So therefore a equals 2 times 6 is 12, and we get 12 over 5, and you can just leave it as a reduced improper fraction, and that should be fine. Okay, they're really not that difficult. I'm trying to see if there's going to be any ones you might run into trouble with. I'll do one more with you. So if you want to look at number 2, we have 8 over 10 equals 7 over v. Okay, and again, you want to get the variable b in your numerator, so I'm going to flip over both sides, and this is a fair move. As long as what I do to one side I do to the other side, it's good to go. Go ahead and multiply both sides by 7. Remember, 7 over 1 is the same thing as saying just 7. So I'm left with my variable on the right. 7 times 10 is 70 over 80. And in this case, I actually am able to reduce it a little bit. I can divide both of them by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And there's my reduced improper fraction. And that's really all there is to it.